How to disconnect or unpair the Apple AirPods Pro from the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. So if you want to use your AirPods with another device, then it is recommended that you first unpair it with your phone. So here, what you want to do is at the top, swipe down and then tap on Settings. In Settings, we now scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. So up here, tap on Connections, then we go into Bluetooth. And after that, tap on AirPods Pro, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on Unpair, and then tap on Unpair. And that's it. It is now unpaired and ready for use with a different device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.